Hey everyone, this is Tyler from JLMI. It's been a while, sorry we've all been a little bit busy, but let's get back to video game playing and Japanese language learning with Zelda. So beginner, part 2. So we're in a sabaku. So where are we? Are we in the mountains? Are we in a luscious green forest? No, we're in the middle of a desert. Sabaku means desert. So その青の爆弾を投げた。So I threw this blue bakudan, this bomb, right? So 爆弾を投げた。Bakudan's a good one, a game word. And they didn't see it coming. They never knew it was coming. So もう一回やってみようか。Let's try that again. もう一回やってみようか。That's a good one. Let's try that again. いや、全然届かないんだよね。todoku is a good one too. To reach or to deliver or to get to some point. So the bomb didn't make it there. So todoku. でもこれ絶対に届くんだよね。絶対にね。That's a good one too. So 絶対にな。It's like to definitely something, right? So it's a good word to like 絶対にやらない or 絶対にしません I will definitely not do that or 絶対に届く It will definitely deliver. So anyway, I'm master mode here. It takes forever to kill these things, so I wouldn't be able to kill them with bombs anyway. So こいつが一発で死んだってことは So this guy died in one hit. So 弱点が氷だね So ice, weak point. His weak point was ice. So let's talk about this. 氷が弱点 So 氷 is ice and 弱点 is weak point. So you can say 弱点が氷です。弱点が炎です。炎 is fire. それか、弱点が電気。So electricity, right? But こいつの弱点は氷じゃないんだよね。This guy's not weak to ice. He didn't die. So it's much like myself. I'm always in doubt, and I've always got my master sword out. So slash away. Again, when in doubt, master sword out, and that's my life. I'm just always in doubt. Anyway, let's continue. So we have bakudan means bomb, sabaku means desert, and zettai ni todoku, definitely arrive, or definitely deliver. This one's good. So poka poka haabu. Haabu means herb or herb, depending where you come from, and poka poka, it's an onomatopoeia word to describe warm or toasty conditions. So warm, toasty herb, I guess. And biri biri fruits. This is a good one too. Biri biri is another onomatopoeia word. And furuutsu means fruit. And biri biri is a condition of like how you feel after you've been struck by lightning or static electricity. So denki wo kaketa yona. So something that's been like struck by lightning. So biri biri fruits. And もう砂まみれだね There's just so much suna everywhere. There's just so much sand. And now we're in the middle of a storm. So storm is arashi. And sand is suna. How do we say sandstorm? So suna means sand and arashi means storm. How do you say sandstorm? I'll give you 5 to think. 5. That's right. そうだよ。大当たりです。Suna Arashi. That's a good game word too because it pops up in other games like Pokemon. So Steelix and Onyx learn Suna Arashi or Sandstorm, right? So there you have it. I'm sorry this time it's a little bit short, but we're pushing frequency over duration of videos because we want to get more videos out so you can all have fun and laugh at this doof on the screen or whatever. But I mean, if this is your thing, if you like games, if you like Japanese pop contents like video games, anime, manga, and whatnot, or if you like language learning, or if you like both, you get the best of both worlds here, right? So you definitely want to stay tuned and subscribe for more upcoming videos as well. And also, we periodically update our Facebook page with more information and news articles regarding such things like games and anime and tips and hints and tricks to learning Japanese language as well. And also, keep in mind, coming up this November of 2018, we have another JLMI course. We're planning to conduct another JLMI course in November as well. There's more details written on our Facebook page. So if that's something you're interested in, you definitely want to check that out. And again, for more on anything and everything Japanese pop culture, stay tuned, subscribe, and be sure to check us out. 皆さん、お疲れ様です。また今度ですね。See you next time, guys.